Now we have to reduce the general equation in the intercept form, and then we have to find the intercepts of the coordinate axis. Now given equation in general form is two x minus 7 pi plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. Now to this, what we can write it? 2x minus 7y is equal to negative of 3. Then negative of 3 is equal to 1. Negative of 3 upon 2 plus y upon 3 upon 7 is equal to 1. Okay. Now this is what? Required equation in intercept form. One thing. Okay. Then now comparing with x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1, we get a is negative of 3 upon 2 and b is what? 3 upon 7. Okay. Now intercept on x axis, a is equal to negative of 3 by 2, intercept on y axis, b is equal to 3 by 7. Okay. So we are having answer and one is this as answer.